All right, WMC, this is the video to randomize our Hall of Fame players for tonight's break number 10, which is that really cool Hall of Fame baseball. So we'll check the time, October 17th at 8:57 p.m. I'm going to go over to the break and type live. We have, right there, October 17th at 8:57 p.m. There is the list of our 64 Hall of Famers. We're just going to randomize their names, and then we'll match them back to our entry list. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we'll get the Hall of Famers matched to our list. We'll get this posted. If anybody wants to trade, guys, you got about 5 minutes, and then we'll crack this baby. So we'll see you in just a few minutes, and I'll tag everybody that's in this before we start.